Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to fix audio issue in Windows 10 computer. So let's go ahead and start the troubleshooting and right click on the Windows start menu and then click on the settings. In the settings you have to click on update and security. In the update and security click on troubleshoot over here and then click on additional troubleshooters. Once you click on the additional troubleshooters you have to click on playing audio and then click on run the troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems for us and it will check all the services if all the services running or not. You have to click on open audio enhancements and then disable all enhancements and then click on apply, click on OK. So currently there are no issues with the audio, so it is giving me a message that troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. For you there could be a fix for your audio issues and then you can just close the troubleshooter. If the troubleshooter doesn't works and if the issue doesn't resolve, then we have to try with another option and then click on the home page and then click on system, click on sound over here and then click on sound control panel. In the sound control panel you have to select the speakers, which speaker it is using. So if there are any other speakers we can just check with right clicking on that white box and then click on show disconnected devices. If this is unchecked you have to check this option and it will show you the disconnected devices. So right click on this and then click on properties. Make sure this is enabled and click on apply, click on OK, click on OK again. If the issue doesn't resolve, we have to right click on the Windows start menu and then click on the device manager. In the device manager we have to click on audio inputs and outputs and then you will find speakers over here. Right click on the speakers and then click on update driver. Click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on this option. So you can click on audio endpoints or whatever driver is installed on your computer, you can select that particular driver and then click on next. So click on close. Now you can check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, we have to right click on this option again and then click on properties, click on driver. If you have installed the latest drivers and after that this issue occurs, then you have to roll back the driver. Click on roll back driver and then it will install the previous drivers on your computer and then you can click on OK. After installing the previous drivers, check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then you have to right click on the speakers and then again click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall device. After the uninstallation, you can just disconnect the device from the computer and then plug it again on the computer. So once you do that, click on the computer name and click on scan for hardware changes and hardware will be installed. So check if this is working or not. If it is not working, you can just click on sound, video, game controllers and then there would be different options as per your hardware install on your computer and you have to right click on that device and then click on update driver. Click on browse my computer and then click on this option. Again you have to select the driver and then click on next. I will click on yes. So click on close. So it is giving me the restart option. So currently I'm not going to restart this, but you should restart the computer and check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, you have to right click on the start menu and then click on the settings. On this page you have to type sound and then click on sound settings. Most of the time it happens that the application we want to hear from or the application we want to talk to are muted. So here you will find the applications and those will be muted for some weird reasons. So you have to unmute those and also check if input and output devices are correctly configured over here. So you have to check these options as well. If the issue doesn't resolve, you have to open the services.msc from the run box select any of the service and then press W on the keyboard, and then you will have to find this Windows Audio service. Restart this service. This could be the first troubleshooting method you can follow. Click on this service as well and then click on restart. Click on yes and then check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then you have to right click on the Windows Start menu and then click on settings. Click on update and security, and in the update and security, make sure you update Windows to its latest version. If you have latest version, all the drivers will be updated, and after the installation of latest version, latest updates, you can just restart the computer and check if the issue resolves or not. So I hope these troubleshooting steps would help you out to resolve your issue, and you will be able to listen to some good music or speak to your loved ones. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.